So you're going to take 1 can of cream of mushroom soup in a saucepan. Then you're going to take sour cream, 1 cup of it. This is 16 ounces, so we only need half of this.
Okay. Why is it called a Bruce Lee broccoli casserole?
Because it kicks butt.
Makes sense to me.
So you've got your sour cream and your cream of mushroom soup in the saucepan. Kind of mix that up, and we're going to add in a cup of cheddar cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese.
So half that bag.
Yes, half this bag. And we're going to make this, let the cheese melt, so that will be our topping for our broccoli. And we're going to kind of move this to the side. We're going to get a 9 by 13 and put 2 bags of the broccoli in there. My hand's moving on me. Okay. I'll take my spoon, just kind of push them into an even layer, like that. And you're going to take this and pour it over your broccoli.
You're doing great.
Kim, so how you fucking...
Not now, Charles.
Okay. You've got it all out there, and see when the broccoli's cooking, the moisture that's in it's going to come out as well.
Oh, yeah.
So now you've got 1 cup of cheddar cheese left. You're going to top it. Top your broccoli with it.
Yum.
And then we're going to add on top some of the crispy fried onions.
I love those things. And they're on top.
And you're going to bake it for 25 minutes at 350. And then you have like your Bruce Lee broccoli casserole.
I'm
It
dedicating.
kicks butt.
Oh yeah, I'm dedicating this one to my dad and my uncle Rumsey because they were big Bruce Lee fans when they were growing up.
Okay, let's set our timer for 25 minutes.
Alrighty. Looking good.
Our Bruce Lee broccoli casserole.
Mm-mm.
We'll let this cool and then we'll try it.
Ooh, can't wait.
Okay?
Mm.
I hope this don't make you act like Bruce Lee here in a minute.
Can't promise you anything.
Gonna be jump kicking people.
Ooh, like that cream.
Okay, Charles, get ready. He's gonna kick you. No.
Okay.
All right. Get a little broccoli, get a little French onion, a little cheese. Mmm.
Really good?
This is really good. Like, y'all need to try this for real.
Try that, folks.